Now, are you a fan of opera?
Musical's more my thing, but I would give it a go.
I like a tenor now and then, actually. But 1,500 school children from 70 schools have been performing alongside one of the world's leading opera companies in a series of special concerts across Teesside.
Yes, after months of workshops and rehearsals, professional singers and musicians from the Royal Opera House have been taking part in shows this week across the Tees Valley, introducing opera to a new audience. Stuart Wincup reports.
Some of the world's leading opera singers performing together alongside hundreds of school children. These concerts are about breaking down barriers, showing the young children that opera is for everyone.
I think the big hope is that to inspire children, to make them realise that opera is not a scary thing. Anybody can sing opera, and to have all the children involved and doing the drama as well and everything that goes along with it. I think it's really, really key that they see this as achievable for them in the future.
There's been 5 concerts throughout the week, each one involving different schools. Around 1,500 children have been involved in all the performances. The final show was the culmination of weeks of rehearsals. So what's it been like for the children?
Very fun and exciting, really interesting of getting to sing really high and really low. And especially getting to see a few people from the Royal Opera House.
I've enjoyed all the actions and it's been really, really fun. It's like a new experience for you, so that's what I've really enjoyed about being in the Royal Opera House. And singing is, it's just really fun.
Half the Royal Opera House's singers and musicians are currently performing in Japan. The other half of the company have spent the week on Teesside, taking part in this series of concerts.
I genuinely hope that some of the kids down there, it will be their first ever time experiencing opera music, and I really hope that it will give them that first spark where they'll start to kind of be interested in music and hopefully one day go to see an opera and maybe even take part as well and become a musician. I mean, in a sense, the people down there are like the musicians of the future.
As well as breaking down barriers, organisers say this series of concerts is about showcasing the many cultural and musical activities that regularly take place right across Teesside. Stuart Wincup, BBC Look North, Thornaby.
I was hoping actually to hear Stuart have a go, but he bottled it, didn't he?